Hello and welcome. In this video, you're going to learn an experiment about Newton's 3 laws of motion. First law of motion is called inertia. It is defined as the tendency of an object to resist change in its motion. So an object that is still will remain still unless acted upon a net force, as well as an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon an unbalanced force, which is the same as a net. This experience was done by myself in a recent trip to the northeast of Brazil. I am sitting on a chair that is tied to a cable and I'm going down. Suddenly, as you can see, the chair stopped and I fell down. As the law of inertia states, if this didn't happen, I would go on and on forever. Therefore, an unbalanced force acted upon me, which in this case is gravity. The second law of motion establishes a relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. It is called F equals ma, or force equals mass times acceleration. It basically gives us a formula to find the force in newtons. Besides that, we also learned from it that the more acceleration you want to put in an object, the more force we'll have to imply in it. And the heavier the object, the more force we'll have to imply. For the second law of motion, the experiment will be the following. I will pull both my brother and my sister in a tricycle with a force of approximately 400 newtons. My sister will be carrying a heavy object in her lap in order to make her have a larger mass. Next, I will measure how far each one went to prove that the heavier the object, the smaller the acceleration will be when the same force is applied. centimeters. Now I will measure the distance, the displacement that he has from his starting point. "112 centimeters, which is much more compared to the other objects because I applied the same force with a lighter object. Third law's name is action-reaction law. It states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For the third law of motion, the experiment will be quite simple. I will get 2 balls and I will push them against each other to show you that both of them will go opposite ways because there's an equal and opposite reaction for every action, as you can see. One went that way, the other one went this way. This is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Bye.